Oh, gummy bear, I'm a gummy bear. Anyhow, I won't spend too long because loads of people have done far better videos than I could ever do because they've got superior equipment, and they've filmed this particular Barbie already, so I should just try and focus on her quite short. I'm not going to do. I've got this one already, as you've no doubt seen, that this girl, Doreen, I've named her, and here's the box. I'm going to put it number 2. Anyhow, it's got perforations in the back of the box, which I'm presuming is to make it easier to get her out. So I'm going to utilise that facility, and I'll be back. Right, the screwdriver came in handy so I've got her out, and then I will take her off the packaging, and then we'll focus on her. Oh, nice soft coat. Nothing much to write home about there. I've got it off, but it leaves parts of itself behind on the packaging, as I've shown before. I do like the gummy bear though. I love that gummy bear. I love this little purse. I wish that had something on the back, but it's got this zipper thing because it doesn't do anything, but I wish it had something like a little, something that you could attach it to her hand so she could carry it around with her. Here's the pet. I'm my best to cut round the gummy bear, but of course using big old craft scissors you probably need something small, but still, this is my favourite of the stick-on things, the gummy bear. I love the gummy bear. Gummy bear, I'm a gummy bear. No, 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 no. Gummy bear. Anyhow, the pig has its little cloud to sit on. Why, I don't know. And it comes with wings and a headband, which also, of course, would double as headbands for Barbie. Well, after waging war with the packaging and actually able to pull those things out with my hands, my fingers this time, I've got her out. She's got a lovely gummy bear ring, which I'm hoping is going to stay on. And oops, I know I don't need to focus on her too much at this stage. Things are falling down because everyone's already shown her, but I'll show her in a little bit more detail in a minute. I'll take her jacket off, hang on. There's the packaging, and we've got sailing by in the background, a herald the start of the shipping forecast, showing that we're nearly 1 o'clock in the morning. There's Piggy Wiggy. Pigs could fly, eh? So let's just, I like her jacket, very soft and furry, so nice, very pretty. And there's the pig wearing the sunglasses, and there's a look at the gummy bear ring. Oh, I love the gummy bear ring, that is so cute. Look at that, isn't that lovely? That's nice. I like the way the light shows through, isn't that pretty? Oh, I do like that. Most people don't focus much on the gummy bear ring. I think it's lovely, jelly looking. Lovely, very nice. There's lovely Barbie. She's very pretty. Her hair's lovely and soft. Very beautiful. There's her boots, wings to match her flying pig. Nice necklaces, nice earrings, space buns, hair clippies. Very nice soft hair, crimped. There's the wing headband thing. I don't think it fits her very well. It's probably unnecessary for her to wear it, I think, so we won't leave it on her. And there she is with her unicorn headdress on. I don't think it looks very good on her. I think these things look better on the pig, to be honest. That falls off as soon as you move it. I think kids are going to be losing that immediately with this flying pig. It's cute though. Let's see him on his cloud. Oh, you've seen that. Loads of people do that. Let's focus more on lovely Barbie. Can't see the famous pixelation that everyone keeps on about. Hang on, her eyes look perfectly fine to me. Ah, makeup looks nice. I mean, if they're talking about the reflections and a slight pixelation in the reflections, then that doesn't really bother me at all. At least her makeup looks pretty sound. It's not all like little pixelated squares, which I thought people were talking about. I'm not bothered about reflections. You get that anyway, so... Oh, that gummy bear ring. I do love that. I like that she's wearing a bathing costume, so that a bodysuit, but I'd call that a swimsuit, so that she can be like for the beach as well. You can pretend she's going to the beach. That looks like a nice swimming costume. You take her necklaces off, and then with different shoes than these, and then she's got a nice silver bathing suit to wear. And there she is. She's got her sunglasses on, ready for the beach now, with her bathing costume. And it's knocked up a bit up there because of all the elastic bands that were tightly wound around her to keep her necklaces on, but she's very nice, very pleased with her. I don't know what I'm going to call her, but I'll think of something. Pretty dolly. I must say Mattel are getting most of my money when it comes to dolls. Yeah, she's lovely. There she is, sunglasses on, and a bathing costume. Could easily be worn as a swimming costume, with a different, sandals on or something for the beach. So I hope I've been comprehensive enough in showing her. I hope the camera doesn't shake around too much, but I've only got one pair of hands to use, so let me just take her sunglasses off again and whoop. There she is. Very pretty. To be thorough, she's got the regular Barbie body and high heels, which is good. She take high-heeled, and you can obviously dress her up in other things if you like. So another success story. Lovely Barbie. Lovely hair. It's beautiful, candy pink and blonde. Very pretty. I love the crimped. So I hope I've been comprehensive enough in showing her. Bye. Gummy bear girl, gummy bear girl. Just have another quick focus on you. You've seen these, many people have shown them, I know, but this jacket is lovely. It's a lovely colour and very soft. It's got this funny sort of scratchy lining. It's a lovely pink colour, shedding a bit, as you can see. See, I think the colour's truer in this. Yeah, it is. It's truer in. It looked more orangey with this camera. I have to use so many different things when I'm recording to show people. So I'll say again, bye-bye. Barbie's saying bye-bye. There she is with my old silver camera. Doesn't she show up nice? That pink looks lovely. There she does look nice with her gummy bear